Reason number 8. Your dog still wants to feel your presence. Even from the foot of the bed, your dog remains connected to you in subtle ways. They can hear your breathing, sense your movements, and feel the gentle shifts of the mattress as you sleep. Biologically, these cues help regulate a dog's sense of safety. The steady rhythm of your breath and the familiarity of your presence signal that everything is normal. Your dog doesn't need to be pressed against you to feel that reassurance. Distance doesn't weaken connection when trust is already there. In that shared quiet, your dog rests knowing you're close enough. The space between you isn't empty. It's filled with comfort, warmth, and the soft understanding that being together doesn't always mean being right beside each other. Sometimes, safety feels most like home from just a little distance away.